Make a great choice today with the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, security system, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.